Introducing our revolutionary smart interactive whiteboard. With a sleek and user-friendly design, this desktop welcome ensures a seamless user experience. Customize your display with various themes and wallpapers, allowing you to personalize your workspace. Access countless apps such as Google Chrome and Play Store, expanding your possibilities. Effortlessly connect to Wi-Fi for instant online access. Enjoy energy-saving features, optimizing efficiency without compromising performance. Adjust sound and brightness settings to create the perfect ambience. With a remarkable touch capability of 20.0 points, you'll experience unmatched precision. Transform your whiteboard into a multipurpose tool, enabling writing, file opening, saving, screen sharing, and split-screen functionality. USB drives for easy data transfer. Upgrade to the future of interactive whiteboards today.